The only intervals in this unit that we're dealing with the quality as well as the number are seconds. Seconds are adjacent notes. So we have a B to a C here. And we're looking at that in the treble clef. So, and we know two letter names, that makes a second. B to B would be a first. B up to C is a second. Now, here we have the quality, and we're only dealing with seconds with the quality. A minor second is a half step. So minor, second, half step. There we go. Now, is B to C a minor second? Well, we look. Is it a half step? Yes, it is, because remember, there's no black key between B and C on the keyboard. All right, so what kind of C would it take for that to be a major second? Well, it would have to be one half step higher than C natural is, and that is, of course, right, C sharp. So a major second is a whole step, which is also two half steps, okay? So B up to C would be a half step and a minor second. B up to C sharp now is a whole step. Let's look at another two notes. Let's take the note A, and let's say that we want to go down a minor second. Well, A down to G would be a second, right? Okay, and now we just think, is A down to G a half step? No, because there's a black key note in between A and G on the keyboard. So what would be a half, what kind of G is a half step below A? We look, there's the white key, then there's a black key, so that's a G sharp. So if we're writing a minor second, then we put that sharp in, and that's our minor second. And actually, we'll also often use a lowercase m for minor when we're identifying interval qualities, also sometimes when we're identifying keys, and the 2, and there we have it. Now, A down to G, what kind of interval was that when we had A to G natural? Was that a minor second? No. Was it a second? Yes, because it's two adjacent letter names. So it was a major second. A to G natural is a major second. We're going to do a G up to an A natural up here above the staff, and that is a major second. We're going to put a capital M and a 2. So once again, a minor second is two notes that are half step apart, and they're spelled or named with adjacent letter names. So like A to B flat, or A to B, that's a second. And if it's a half step, it's a minor second. I think I am repeating myself. Half step with adjacent letter names is a minor second. A whole step with adjacent letter names, like A to B natural, is a major second. So you can use that in identifying those intervals and also in writing those intervals. And I will see you in class.